Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Azure AD user sign-in using conditional access step by step clearly. Sign in to your Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Navigate to the Azure Active Directories section in the left-hand menu. Select Security from the options available. Click on Conditional Access. In the Conditional Access window, select Policies. Select New Policy to create a new conditional access policy. Name your policy something descriptive, like Disable Sign-In. Under the Assignments section, click on Users and Groups. Choose all users or select specific users that you want to target. Click on Cloud Apps or Actions next. Select all cloud apps or choose specific apps as needed. Scroll down to the Conditions section. Click on Device Platforms if you wish to limit the policy to specific devices. Choose the platforms you want to include or exclude. Now, navigate to that Access Controls section. Select Grant and then choose Block Access. Review your settings to ensure they match your goals. Click on Create to finalize the policy. The policy will now appear in the list of conditional access policies. You can enable or disable it at any time by toggling the status. Test the policy by attempting to sign in as one of the targeted users. Confirm that the sign-in is blocked as desired. Make any necessary adjustments based on testing outcomes. Your conditional access policy for disabling Azure AD user sign-in is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.